Natural light can completely transform the feel of your home, making rooms appear larger, brighter, and more welcoming. But in a growing community like Rowlett, where homes are often built within close proximity to neighbors, privacy is just as important as sunlight. The key to achieving both is thoughtful window placement. Double-hung windows are one of the most versatile options for balancing light and privacy. With their classic design and flexible ventilation features, they offer Rowlett homeowners a practical and stylish solution. Here's how to plan double-hung window placement for the perfect balance. Understand your home's orientation. The direction your home faces plays a major role in how much natural light each room receives. In Rowlett, south and west-facing windows tend to receive the strongest sunlight, especially in the afternoon. Placing double-hung windows on these sides can brighten living spaces but may require energy-efficient glass to reduce heat gain. North-facing windows provide softer, consistent light and are ideal for rooms where you want brightness without excessive glare. Careful planning ensures your home receives natural light where it's most beneficial while minimizing unwanted heat. Use height to enhance privacy. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is that both the top and bottom sashes can open. This allows you to control airflow while maintaining privacy. For areas close to neighbors or sidewalks, consider placing double-hung windows slightly higher on the wall. This allows sunlight to enter while limiting direct sightlines into your home. In bedrooms and bathrooms, opening the top sash instead of the bottom provides ventilation without compromising privacy, a feature many Rowlett homeowners appreciate. Consider room function. Different rooms require different levels of light and privacy. Living rooms and family rooms benefit from larger double-hung windows placed at eye level to maximize light and outdoor views. Bedrooms may benefit from strategic placement that allows light while maintaining a sense of seclusion. Bathrooms often call for higher placement or frosted glass to protect privacy. Kitchens can benefit from windows placed above counters for both light and ventilation. By tailoring window placement to each room's purpose, you create a more comfortable and functional home. Pair with landscaping for added privacy. In Rowlett neighborhoods where homes are relatively close together, landscaping can work hand in hand with window placement. Strategically planted shrubs, decorative fencing, or trees can soften sightlines without blocking natural light. Double-hung windows positioned thoughtfully can capture sunlight while landscaping enhances privacy. This approach maintains openness without sacrificing comfort. Balanced symmetry and curb appeal. Window placement isn't just about the interior, it also affects your home's exterior appearance. Double-hung windows offer a balanced, symmetrical look that enhances curb appeal. When planning placement, consider how the windows will look from the street. Even spacing and consistent sizing create a clean, cohesive facade. In Rowlett's well-kept neighborhoods, attractive exterior design adds value and makes a strong first impression. Choose energy-efficient features. Because Rowlett experiences warm summers, selecting energy-efficient double-hung windows is essential. Look for features like double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features allow you to enjoy ample natural light without overheating your interior spaces. Proper placement combined with energy-efficient technology ensures comfort year-round. Work with professionals for best results. Professional consultation can make a significant difference in achieving the right balance. Experienced installers evaluate your home's layout, orientation, and neighborhood setting to recommend ideal placement. They ensure windows are properly aligned and sealed, maximizing both performance and appearance. A thoughtful approach for Rowlett homes. Planning double-hung window placement is about more than just adding glass to a wall. It's about creating bright, comfortable spaces while maintaining privacy and curb appeal. With strategic placement, energy-efficient features, and professional installation, Rowlett homeowners can enjoy the perfect balance of light and privacy, enhancing both everyday living and long-term home value.